One PC is spying on you right now. Every search, every app, every move, logged and sent to Microsoft. And they turned it all on by default. Here are the 10 settings to shut it down. No downloads. Let's take your privacy back. Now, I'm not here to scare you and leave. Every single thing I show you today is a built-in Windows setting. Nothing you can break, nothing you can't undo. We're going to move through this like a system audit, room by room, switch by switch, until every backdoor Microsoft left open is closed. No fluff, no filler, the exact zero BS settings in order. Grab your PC and follow along. Setting number 1. First backdoor, your advertising ID. Windows assigns you a personal tracking number so apps can build a profile on you and target ads. We're killing it. Go to Settings, Privacy and Security, then General. Setting 1. Turn off Let apps show me personalized ads using my advertising ID. Setting 2. Turn off Let websites show me locally relevant content by accessing my language list. Setting 3. Turn off Let Windows improve start and search results by tracking app launches. 3 switches, 3 trackers gone. Boom. That's your first win, and we're just getting started. Next room, and this is the big one. Diagnostic data. Microsoft collects a constant stream of information about what you do on your machine, and most people are sending the full fire hose without knowing it. Go to Settings, Privacy and Security, then Diagnostics and Feedback. Setting 4. Switch off Send optional diagnostic data. Then, right below it, Setting 5. Turn off Tailored experiences. That one uses your diagnostic data to show you targeted ads and suggestions inside your own operating system. You just cut the pipeline feeding them. Done. Quick gut check. We're halfway through the hit list. If closing these back doors is opening your eyes to how much was switched on without your say-so, drop a comment and tell me which setting shocked you the most. I read every single one. All right, 5 down, 5 to go. Back to the audit. Now we go after the trackers that follow you around. Setting 6. Settings, Privacy and Security, Location. Unless you genuinely need it, switch off location services entirely. And while you're there, clear your location history at the bottom. Setting 7. Go to Activity History and turn off Store my activity history on this device, then clear it. That's the timeline of everything you've done, gone. Setting 8. This is the sneaky one. Go to Privacy and Security, Search Permissions, and turn off Cloud Content Search and the Web Results toggle. Every time you searched your own PC, Windows was firing that off to the internet. Not anymore. Congratulations. That's the trickiest one handled. Setting 9. The newest backdoor. Microsoft's AI features quietly reach into your files and content to improve themselves. Head to Settings, Privacy and Security, and look for the AI and Copilot permissions. Switch off anything that grants access to your files and content. You decide what the AI sees, not them. And Setting 10 isn't one switch. It's a 30-second sweep. Scroll to the bottom of Privacy and Security under App Permissions. Go through Camera, Microphone, and Account info one at a time, and revoke access from any app that has no business needing it. Does a photo editor need your microphone? No. Shut it. That's the final door closed. And that's it. 10 settings. 10 back doors. Closed. No downloads. No risky tools. No tech. Support bill. Your PC is still fully yours to use, but now it's actually working for you instead of reporting on you. That's what taking your privacy back looks like. But here's the thing. A private PC that's still slow is only half the win, because the same Windows that was spying on you is also buried under bloat that's dragging your performance into the ground. I've got a full video that strips all of it out using built-in settings. Same zero BS style, no downloads. Click the video on your screen right now. Make sure you're subscribed, and I'll see you over in that one.